Let's plant a winter porch pot for some easy winter color. Now we're gonna start by filling up your pot most of the way to the top with your potting soil. And then you wanna remember the formula for a good porch pot, and that is thriller, filler, spiller. A lot of you already know this, so the thriller is gonna be some height, the filler is gonna fill in the rest of the pot, and then your spiller trails over the edge of the pot. Now if this pot is going to be back up against a wall, you probably want your thriller to be towards the back of the pot rather than dead in the center. And that's exactly what we're gonna do today. So for today's thriller, we're going with a ornamental kale. This one is peacock red. It's big, it's pretty, it's gonna get more and more beautiful with better colors as it gets colder this winter. And all of the plants that we are using in this arrangement are freeze tolerant. Now they can't take super cold winters like up in Michigan, but down in the South, they're gonna be fine all winter long. So let's get this out of the pot and into the larger pot. Notice I'm not teasing the roots of these because I never tease the roots of annuals. It's just not important for annuals and it makes no difference. I'm actually gonna place my spiller next because I like to line up where I want that on the pot, which is off center, off to one side. This time I'm going with English ivy. Now, for those of you that freak out whenever I use English ivy, don't freak out because I know it's an invasive plant in certain parts of the US, but I'm planting this in a pot in Texas. I'm not planting it in the Olympic National Forest, all right? It's going in a pot in Texas. It's not gonna become invasive anywhere. I like using English ivy as that spiller in the South as long as it's contained and not gonna escape into the wild, because it's evergreen all winter long and it looks really nice coming out the side of the pot. Now all that's left are the fillers. So I've got a couple of different things we're gonna be working with, and that is a white snapdragon and a purple pansy. I'm going with cooler colors to match this kale that we have in here, and it's gonna be a nice winter look, but you can use whatever colors you wanna use. Now there's a bunch of different ways to do this, but one of the easier things to do is just kind of break up your pot into thirds. So the thriller is taking up this back third. The snapdragons are gonna take this third over here along with our spillers, and then we're just gonna fill in the other third over here with our pansies, however many we can fit in there. Maybe I can get 2 more. Gotta inspect my work. Kale's kind of got a crooked leaf. That's okay. It's gonna grow more leaves. All right, so there you have it. Just a simple little winter porch planter. There's lots of different ways you can do this, but this is just one of them that I really like because it's got the nice, cool colors and reminds me of colder weather that's coming.